Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make yellow whipped cream. First, ensure your heavy cream, bowl, and whisk are well chilled. This step is crucial for achieving a light and airy texture. Combine 1 cup of cold heavy cream with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract in your chilled bowl. Now, we'll add the color to transform it into a vibrant yellow treat. To get that beautiful yellow hue, add 2 to 3 drops of yellow food coloring to your cream mixture. Start with a small amount and add more if needed to reach your desired shade. Begin whipping the mixture on medium-high speed. Continue whipping until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can make the cream grainy. For a firmer whipped cream, continue whipping until stiff peaks are achieved. The cream should hold its shape when the whisk is lifted. Taste your whipped cream and adjust the sweetness by adding a bit more powdered sugar if desired. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon or orange zest. This brightens the taste and complements the yellow color beautifully. Once your yellow whipped cream is ready, serve it immediately for the best texture and flavor. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. This vibrant whipped cream is perfect for topping cupcakes, pies, or fresh fruit salads. It adds a cheerful pop of color and a delightful creamy finish to any treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.